Good afternoon, everyone. Now I want to introduce myself. My name is Olga Shinta Salawane. I'm from class F. Now I want to currently going to explain about influenza disease. Okay, definition of influenza. Influenza is called viral infection caused by the influenza virus and spread usually from the person to person. This virus circulates throughout the world on the can attack people regardless of age and gender by WHO 2019. Influenza are often referred to as the flu is a disease caused by a viral infection in the respiratory tract. Influenza-causing virus are spread in the air, mainly from fluid extracted released by influenza swifters. The disease and attack anyone, especially of children, by Herty Mariani and Lucy Christiana 2004. Influenza or flu is a contagious respiratory disease caused by the influenza virus, which can cause mild to severe illness by Abelson 2019. Cause of influenza. Influenza is caused by microvirus influenza. This virus attacks the respiratory tract and can cause inflammation. There are three main types of virus called influenza virus A, B, and C. This type of influenza virus is the most commonly encountered and has been declared responsible for the epidemic events. This type of virus also changes frequently. Influenza type A infection humans and animals, influenza type B infection for humans, while influenza type C infection humans and pig. Influenza sign and symptom. Symptoms of influenza can begin quickly 1 to 2 days after infection. Symptoms of influenza may include: the first symptom is chills. Symptom is chill or feeling cold. Fever is commonly in infection, with body temperature regain from 38 to 39 degrees and feeling of extreme cold, 4 chills, shaking. Next, influenza disease treatment. Treatment people suffering from the flu are advised to get plenty of rest, drink plenty of fluid, and if necessary, take medicine to relieve bothersome symptoms. The recommended action to relieve flu symptoms without treatment include, among others: 1. Rest 2 until 3 days, reduce excessive physical activity. 2. Frequent gargling with the salt water to reduce pain in the throat. 3. Improve nutrients. The last, drink a lot of water. Flu medicine in general is medicine without doctor's prescription that can obtain the pharmacy and licensed drug stores. Flu medicine in generally a combination of several active substances, such as combination of analgesic or antipyretics combination with nasal deconitis. 2. Analgesic or antipyretic combination with nasal deconstant and antihistamine. 3. Analgesic with antipyretic combination with nasal deconstant, antihistamine, and antiseptic of expectorant. Prevention of influenza disease. Influenza prevention that can be done is the keep to hygiene and the environment. They recommend you often hand wash, throw away the dirty tissue in place, as well as cleaning the surface of the goods. Some sources say high This cow vitamin can reduce the risk on influenza infection. Conclusion: influenza, or commonly called flu, is the oldest and most common disease in humans. Influenza is also one deadly disease. Influenza disease was first introduced by Hippocrates at 412 before J. The first document first pandemic appeared in 1580, which appeared from Asia and spread to Europe through Africa. To date has been documented as much as 31 possible influenza pandemics, and 4 of the occurred in the century in the 1918 or fish nepnis. The cause 20 and 100 million deaths by influenza viral subtype 111957. Asia flu that was 1 until 1.5 million deaths by influenza virus HIP. That's my presentation. Hope it's useful. Thank you.